Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials, a working Google account and a Nintendo account. Once done, launch Pokémon Unite and watch the title screen. This is where linking begins. Go straight to the account or settings icon, don't wander menus. Make sure to choose Sign In or Account Link as your first action because that path exposes the Google option. You're preparing credentials now so the flow stays smooth. Keep your Google email and password ready, and proceed to tap Link or Sign In. You'll now select Google from the Sign In options and the Device Presence account choices. Pick the correct Google account to link. Once selected, the system asks for permissions, grant profile, email, and game data access so Unite can sync progress. Make sure to read permission prompts because they control saves and cross-device access. After granting, wait for the confirmation pop-up. This step finalizes authorization. If you see a verification request, complete it immediately so the link becomes permanent. You finish by returning to the account page and checking for a linked Google badge or your Google email. That proves success. If the link fails, first log out of both apps, clear the game cache, and then retry. This resolves most token or cache conflicts. Make sure to retry on a stable network because interrupted authorization can leave a partial link. If problems persist, collect error messages and contact Pokémon Unite support with device info. They can resolve account conflicts or orphan links for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.